Hello, my name is Francis and I'm here to introduce the hotel reservation system that we built, along with how the login system of it works. The name of our hotel reservation system is Medicare. Medicare is a desktop-based hospital reservation system built with Python, Tkinter, and MySQL. It digitizes appointment booking, payment handling, and patient record management through three role-based dashboards: patient, doctors, and admin.
Good day, everyone. This serves as the primary gateway for patients to access our digital services. Its main purpose is to automate the traditional intake process, eliminating the need for manual paperwork. By digitizing this step, we ensure that every patient is officially documented in our database before they can book a consultation, making the entire workflow more organized and professional. Data collection and security. To register, the user must provide specific information to build their medical profile. This includes their full name, birth date, and gender, which are vital for accurate patient identification. We also required a contact number to ensure the clinic can send appointment reminders and urgent updates. For security, the user selects a username and password. We have specifically included a confirm password field to prevent typing errors, ensuring that patient account remains secure and accessible to them alone.
Process and user experience. Once the form complete, the user simply clicks the green Create Account button. We choose the color green to signify a successful proceed action which finalizes the registration and saves the data to our secure service. Furthermore, we prioritize user convenience by adding a back to login button. This ensures that if a user accidentally lands on the sign up page but already has an account, they can easily navigate back to the sign in screen. This design prevents the creation of duplicate accounts and ensure a smooth user experience.
The doctor table. The doctor table is a part of the system that stores and organizes all essential information about doctors. It functions as a database where each doctor's details are recorded and managed efficiently.
Number 1, today's schedule table. This is the doctor's primary dashboard. It displays all confirmed appointment for the current day. Column typically include patient name, start, and time, reason for visit, etc. and status. Purpose allows the doctor to see their immediate workload and prepare for upcoming consultations. Action. Doctors can select a patient for this list and click Add View Notes to record clinical details. Number 2. Pending appointment requests. This table acts as an inbox for new booking requests sent by patients. Functionality: the doctor or admin review these requests. Constraints: as seen as 2.11, the system prevents approving a request if the payment status is still unpaid. Once the payment is verified by admin, the doctor can then approve the slot, moving in the confirmed schedule. On appointment table, this is a historical log on comprehensive view of every appointment link in the specific doctor. Features is include filtering option by status like pending, approved, or complete, and search bar to find specific patients. Exporting, there is an export Excel features seen at 1219 used for record keeping or reporting. Manage doctor admin view. From the administration perspective, there is a master doctor table used to maintain the staff directory, information trunk, name, specialization, etc., dentist, contact number, and the defined work schedule. Monday to Friday, 8 to 11, 8 to 5. Management. Admin use this table to register a new doctor into system or update the credential or existing ones.
The system stores all doctor information in a dedicated table, ensuring that records are organized and easily accessible. It allows for efficient searching and retrieval of doctor details whenever needed. Additionally, the table links doctors to their corresponding appointments and patients, enabling smooth coordination within the system. It also supports the management of doctors' account and access permissions. Purpose of doctor table. First is to maintain organized and accurate doctor records. Second is to support secure login and proper identification. And third is to correct doctors with patients and their schedules. And lastly, to enhance overall hospital management efficiency.
The administration table is used to store all the important information of the administrator who manage the system. First, we have the admin ID, which is served as the primary key. It is unique and automatically increment for each admin. Next is the full name, which store the complete name and the administrator. We also have the user and password, which are used by the admin to log into the system. The role column identifies the level of access each administrator, such as main admin or staff admin. We include email and contact number for communication purposes. Lastly, the created at the field automatically records the date and time when the admin accounts was created. Overall, this table helps manage and organize administrator accounts efficiently with the system.
So for the sidebars, the sidebar contains all function that the admin can access. So nandito lahat ng main features ng system. So madali lang mag-navigate from one function to another. So the first one is overview or the main dashboard. Second one is all appointments. So dito lahat may kita yung list of all bookings. And third one is verify payment. So dito rin makita kung verified ba yung mga payments or valid pa. Then the refund request. So dito makita yung manage refund concerns. Yan. Then the reschedule request is dito rin makita yung mga nag-reschedule ng mga appointment. So for the manage doctors, this is the add edit doctor info. Then the manage payments, so ito yung patient records na manage patient records like that. And the audit log, so ito naman yung system activity history. Yan. So for the columns naman, ito yung ID. So dito makita yung appointment number. Then patient, siyempre yung patient name. Then the doctors, so ito yung mga assigned doctors like that. And date, so yun yung schedule. Then the status is dito makita kung confirm ba or pending, etc. like that. And the payment, so dito makita yung payment status. So this table shows the most recent appointment together with important detail like patient information, assigned doctors, schedule, and payment status. So in the one glance, kita agad ng admin kung ano yung status ng bawat appointment. So ayan. So for the overview, this part serves as the main dashboard of the system. So dito makikita agad ng admin the overall summary of what's happening in the hospital reservation system. So instead na isa-isain pa yung data, everything important is already presented here like appointments, updates, and system activities. Because of that, mas mapapadali for the admin monitor the current situation of the system in a quick and convenient way. So for the summary, so overall this the admin dashboard of the hospital reservation system. Dito kayang i-manage ng administrator yung appointments, patients, doctors, pati na rin yung mga payments. So on the left side, andun yung menu option for the navigation, while the main section may kita yung recent appointment with the complete details. So, ayan.
Hello, my name is Edsel Ann, and I discuss the summary of our system. I'm here to introduce the hotel reservation system that we built along with how the login system of it works. The name of our hotel reservation system is Medicare. In summary, our system called Medicare is a desktop-based hospital reservation system developed using Python, Tinker, and MySQL. It was designed to digitize hospital processes such as appointment, booking, payment handling, and patient record management, making operations faster and more organized. The system includes three main user roles: patient, doctor, and an admin. Patient can book appointments, manage medical history, make payments, and rate doctors. Doctors can manage their schedules, approve or reject appointments, and add clinical notes. Admins oversee the entire system by verifying payments, managing accounts, and monitoring system activity. Security and organization are ensured through login tables for patients, doctors, and admins. Passwords are protected using SHA-256 hashing, and security questions are used for password recovery. The registration module allows patients to create accounts by entering personal and contact details. This replaces manual paperwork and improves efficiency while ensuring accurate patient records. The system also includes doctor and administration tables that store important information such as doctor specializations, schedule, administrator roles, and login credentials. These tables help maintain organized records, support secure access, and improve hospital management. Overall, our Medicare our Medicare helps improve efficiency, hospital efficiency, enhances patient experience, and ensures secure and organized healthcare services. Thank you.